I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have contributor or reader access to the subscription because you will create resources and view logs. Next, create or select a log analytics workspace. This is the central store for queries and alerts. Connect your target resources by enabling diagnostic settings and choosing the workspace as the destination. Once done, wait for data ingestion and verify with a quick search query. Make sure data types you need, metrics, activity logs, or resource diagnostics, are flowing into the workspace. Now you author a custo query in logs that captures the condition you want to alert on. Think of count, percent, or a specific event ID. Test the query using a realistic time range and add summarize or project to reduce noise because efficient queries reduce costs. Then choose Create Alert Rule, set evaluation frequency and lookback period, and define the condition threshold. Also pick severity and assign an action group. This ties the alert to email delivery or other notification channels. Finish by creating or selecting an action group and adding an email receiver. Provide a display name and the recipient address because this is how notifications arrive. Attach that action group to the alert rule, save, and ensure the rule is enabled. Validate by using a test query or temporarily lowering thresholds to trigger an alert. If you do not receive email, check that the action group is active, the recipient address is correct, your role allows action invocation, and that the query returns results. Adjust permissions or thresholds as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.